Imagine sending a business owner one short message, and instead of getting ignored, he writes back, "How can I work with you?" Well, that's exactly what happens when you skip the pitch and lead with a simple 2-minute video instead. Now, if your messages keep getting ignored, it's not because you're bad at sales, and it's not because you need a portfolio first. It's because most outreach asks a business owner for something before giving him a single reason to care, which is a fairly ambitious opening move from a stranger. And believe me, I've done the ambitious version plenty of times. 45 minutes in a coffee shop, sitting across from a roofer, walking him through everything that I could possibly offer while he glanced at his watch more and more often, waiting for a polite opening to cut me off. For the record, since then, I've built 3 7-figure agencies, worked with over 1,500 small businesses, run thousands of campaigns, including for companies like Google, Amazon, and Meta, and today I do it all as a one-person agency with 0 employees. So here's the deal. By the end of this video, you'll have that 2-minute video script word for word, plus the message that gets it opened, the follow-up, and the exact close that turns his reply into a $297 a month client. And the service we're selling here is Google Reviews, a simple system I call the review engine, and it gets a local business a steady stream of them automatically. I'll show you the whole thing running later in this video, but the system was never the hard part. The first thing I need to say is the part that nobody tells you, so I will. Getting the client is harder than building the system, considerably harder. The system gets built the moment you decide to build it. Business owners, on the other hand, will leave your message sitting on red for 9 days and then tell you they've been busy. And this is exactly where most people quit. They send 4 messages, hear nothing for 2 days, and decide the entire business model has collapsed. Agencies are dead. Nobody wants marketing anymore. The market's too saturated. But reaching out works just fine when you hand the business owner something useful first. It's just that most people do the opposite. They basically walk up to a stranger and go, "Hi, want to give me money?" Usually followed by, "I'd love to hop on a quick call," because apparently asking for money wasn't enough to scare him off. So you're also going to ask for the most precious thing he's got. His time. This is why everything today is built around leading with the useful thing first. In a minute, I'll hand you the exact script for it. But first, you need to know who to record it for, because sending a perfect audit to the wrong business is still a waste of time. Here's the part I love about this particular service. You don't have to guess who needs it. You can look at a business's Google listings, you can count the reviews, and you can know in about 10 seconds whether they're a good fit or not before you ever say a word to them. So let me walk you through it now, step by step. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up Google, or you can just go straight to Google Maps and search for any local service in your area. This could be roofers, dentists, med spas, HVAC, auto shops, whatever you can think of. And if you're worried that choosing a niche like this is about to become a 3-week research project, then we can just go for roofers for now, because that's who I'm going to be using today. For cities, I'm going to search in Charlotte, North Carolina. Then just look at the review counts. You're hunting for one specific thing. A business that clearly does good work, but has way fewer reviews than it should. So the one with the sharp website, the nice photos, the high 4-point something or 5-star rating, but only 20 or 30 or 50 reviews, while the place down the road has something like 300. This right here would be a good example. Premier Roofing. This one might be a great example, actually, as they don't even have a website listed here, so they're in desperate need of some marketing TLC. Even just a little bit further down, though, we've got Bumble Roofing here with a 4.9-star rating, but only 60 reviews, while the top competitors in this space have hundreds. That is the gap that you're looking for. What you've got here is a good business that probably does great work, it's just not competitive online right now, which means it's losing sales, losing customers, losing revenue every single day to its competitors, all because its competitors have a better system in place. So now all you need to do is write down 10 of these businesses. That's your list for the week. 10 businesses that are one small system away from finally getting the reviews that they've already earned. And 10 of the right businesses beats 1,000 cold names from some cold lead list that you bought online pretty much every single time. Also, notice what we just did. We didn't guess, we didn't buy some random list, we didn't spray and pray a bunch of cold emails to 1,000 people. All we did was find a business with an obvious, visible, fixable problem. But here's the thing about that list. The right business doesn't matter if your message looks and sounds like every other marketing pitch in their inbox. So instead of telling him you can help, you're going to prove that you understand his problem before you ask him for a single thing. And that's what the 2-minute review audit does. And it's the single most effective thing that I have ever used to land local clients. And I don't say that lightly. It's the one thing that I've been doing for over a decade now. Back then, it was a strategy called lumpy mail. I'd print the audit out as a physical report, I'd burn the video onto a DVD, and then I'd mail the whole package to a business owner who'd never heard of me. Lumpy mail cost me money, it took forever, but depending on the week, anywhere between 10 and 20% of the businesses that I sent one of these packages to became a paying client, at $2 to $5 grand a month as well. So when I tell you that leading with an audit works, I'm not guessing. Today, we just skip the post office. Okay, so today then, where do you actually send that message? Well, 3 places, and not one of them means picking up a phone, because no, you don't have to make a cold call to make this work. I don't call anyone anymore, and closes just fine. First is email. Most of these businesses list their email address right on their website or their Google profile. Second is Facebook or Instagram DMs. Local businesses do actually read these, more than you might think they would. And third is their website contact form, which sounds too simple to work, but usually drops straight into the owner's inbox. Now, if you're only going to use one of these, make it email. And it all starts with just one short message. You're not sending the video yet, you're just asking permission to send it. So you're going to want to screenshot this next part or write it down because this is what you're going to want to send word for word. Hey Mike, I was looking at roofers in Charlotte and ABC Roofing kept catching my eye. Noticed one thing on your Google listing I think is costing you calls, and it's a pretty easy fix. I recorded a quick 2-minute video walking through what I mean. No charge, nothing to sign up for. Is it all right to send it over? You want to keep this message almost stupidly short. If your outreach message requires any kind of scrolling, you've accidentally written a newsletter. And send 10 of these a day. 10. 20 if you're feeling extra motivated. Once you've got the rhythm, that's maybe half an hour, the kind of thing that you can knock out on a lunch break or after dinner. The person who sends 10 a day for 2 weeks is going to be in a completely different universe than the person who fires off 3 sad-looking, hey, do you need marketing DMs, and then gives up on a Tuesday. Now, about 1 in 10 to 1 in 20 is going to write back and say, yeah, send it over. Well, that's your cue. Now you record the video, but only for the guys who already raised their hand and said that they wanted it. That's the whole trick, by the way. You're never recording for strangers. You're recording for people who asked. So here's how you record it. I use Loom, which is free screen sharing software. You hit record and it captures your screen and your voice, does them both at the same time. Then it hands you a link that you can paste right into your reply. 2 minutes per video, max, working through their Google listing like a friendly person who just happened to notice something. You show them their review count, you compare it to the businesses above them, and you briefly show them how you'd fix it. The key here is that you're not trying to close them in this video. You're trying to get them to ask just one question. How does this work? So here's what you say in that video, word for word. Hey Mike, thanks for letting me send this over. So I'm on your Google listing right now, 4.9 stars, which is great. Your customers clearly love you. The one thing I noticed, you're sitting at 19 reviews and a couple of the places nearby are around 300. My guess is that's not because they're doing better work. It's that somebody's asking their customers for reviews and you probably haven't had time to, which is totally fixable. I put together a simple system that asks every customer and follows up on its own. So all those happy customers you've already done great work for actually leave you a review instead of just meaning to. If that's something you'd want for ABC Roofing, just hit reply and let me know. That's it. That one was like 30 seconds, but keep it to 2 minutes max. There's no slides, no big presentation, no let's hop on a 30-minute call. Now for bonus points, if you want to increase your hit rate even further, there's an optional tool that I use for this that I want to at least show you. Again, it's totally optional, you don't have to use it. Inside High Level, which is the software I use to run my entire agency, there's a prospecting tool that allows you to create an entire marketing audit for a business with just a single click of a button. I type in roofing, Charlotte, and it pulls the same businesses I was just looking at on maps, except now each one comes with a score attached. The higher the score, the more problems that business has, which means the more likely they are to say yes to you and actually become a client. And when I hit the add button, it generates the full report. This gives me their review count and rating, whether anyone's replying to those reviews, how their listing stacks up against competitors, their website, their search visibility, all of it in just one nice clean document. And that report is what I pull up on screen when I record the video. So instead of just looking at their listing, now they're looking at a full breakdown of their entire online presence. Same 2 minutes, but a lot more weight behind it. Now, for the record, you can absolutely do this by hand with Google Maps and a notepad. The tool just does about an hour's worth of homework in a minute. Now here's what's so powerful about this approach. You just did free work for them before they gave you $1. And here's why it hits so hard. They can see the problem on their own screen. And it's not you, but it's Google that's the one that's presenting them with all of the evidence. You're basically just the person that's circling it with a red marker. And to be clear, you can do this with 0 experience and 0 clients because the only thing that you're claiming is that you noticed the gap and you happen to know how to close it. Now here's the part that stops most people cold. They send the messages, nobody replies within a day, and they assume that guy's not interested. So let me save you a few months of frustration. No reply is not a no. It's a not right now. I'm literally on a roof. I mean, come on. The guy's like 30 feet off the ground holding a nail gun. It's not like replying to you is his top priority right now. These are busy people running real businesses. They're not sitting there refreshing their inbox, waiting for your DM. So you follow up. But don't worry, the follow-up is super simple. Just say this. Hey, Mike, one more thing I noticed since I messaged you. Competitor name just crossed 300 reviews, and I've got a quick way to help close that gap. Is it all right to send you that video? That one follow-up will lend you a big chunk of your replies. People usually aren't ignoring you, they just forgot. Send 2 follow-ups spaced a few days apart, then you can let it go. No begging, no 6-paragraph breakup letter explaining how disappointed you are that a roofer didn't watch your video. Just move on. There's plenty of other businesses in plenty of other cities. Okay, so they reply. They watch the video and they say, yeah, how does this work? Well, now what? Well, this is where people panic and either over-explain everything or start knocking money off a price the prospect hasn't even objected to yet, which is a negotiation with yourself, and you're losing. So don't do either. At this point, you don't need to convince them there's a problem. I mean, they've already seen it with their own eyes on their own screen. Your only job now is to explain the fix without dragging him into a 45-minute coffee shop presentation like I did to that poor roofer. So just say this. Awesome. So I'll set up a system that automatically asks every customer for a review and follows up, so you actually get them, completely hands-off for you. I'll also go back through your past customers and pull in the reviews you should have gotten years ago. And it can reply to every new review for you automatically at no extra cost. It's $297 a month, and one extra customer usually pays for the whole thing. Want me to get it set up this week? So let me walk you through exactly what that system looks like now, so you know precisely what you're selling before you ever offer it to anyone. But before I show you the right way, first we gotta talk about the wrong way to do this, which is what almost every business is doing right now. Here's how it works. The owner finishes a job, they mean to ask for a review, they get busy, and they forget. Maybe they remember once a month, but usually not. This is why the right way is what you're looking at right now, the review engine. Nobody has to remember anything. The moment a job gets marked complete, that's the trigger, and it fires this automatically. Then a short series of messages goes out to the customer. A check-in first, then the review request with a link straight to Google, then a text reminder that only fires if they haven't left one, and for anyone who never opens their text, the same request goes out one more time as an email. 4 touches, all automatic, all polite, that's the whole build. And this is the auto reply feature you offered him in the close. You flip this on and now every new review that comes in gets a thoughtful, personalized response written back automatically, which is the kind of thing that business owners just never get around to either. And this is the result. The reviews land here and the owner watches the number climb week after week on a listing that used to be sitting there frozen for years. And one thing you'll see in there, every customer gets the same request with the same link. You're never picking and choosing who gets asked for a review. This way, make sure it keeps it honest and it keeps it inside of Google's rules. And before you start worrying about building all this yourself, don't worry. I've already built the entire thing out so you can copy it straight into your own account in about 60 seconds, but more on that in just a minute. So that's the whole service. There's no secret dashboard, there's no proprietary 7-stage reputation accelerator. It asks customers for reviews, does it consistently, which is the part that the business owner was just never gonna do. Also runs in the background, and this is the part that actually matters for keeping the client. This is something like 30 minutes of your time a month per client once it's set up. You can even do the pieces manually if you want to. The system just makes it automatic so that nobody has to remember, because you're not charging for 30 minutes of button clicking. What you're charging for here is the system remembering every single day forever. Now, when you show this to a potential client, you might hear back a few objections. So let me hand you the responses. When they say, I'll just do it myself, you say, you totally can. Most business owners could. The hard part is remembering to do it after every single job, forever. That's the part that this fixes. It happens automatically, so you never have to try to remember. When they say $297 feels like a lot, you point straight back at the math. One extra roofing job, for example, is worth what? Say $5,000, and this runs all month for a fraction of just one job. So you'd be paying me $297 to go get you $5,000 jobs. And if they say, well, I don't really have a customer list, you say, no problem. Every job you do from here on out feeds it automatically. So we start bringing in new reviews right away. And whatever's sitting in your booking or invoicing software, we can pull that in too. And one thing to be aware of here, if you do reach out to the business's previous customers, just make sure that these are people that the business has actually done work for, not 10,000 random emails that you bought off some lead list. Also, every message gives them a way to opt out. And that's it. There's nothing complicated, just don't get creative with this part. Now, before you go do this, I've got to give you just one important warning because I know exactly how this goes. When those first few replies start coming in and someone seems interested, you're going to be tempted to impress them by offering everything, saying something like, oh, I can also do your website and your ads and your social media and this and that and so on. So don't do that. Because if you do, then suddenly your one clean $297 offer turns into the Cheesecake Factory menu. And that's the precise mistake that killed me in that coffee shop. So instead, just remember this. One offer, one problem, one price. Get them the reviews, get them the win, and then the next service becomes an easy yes 3 months down the road once they already trust you. If you lead with the full menu of services on the other hand, then you're right back to watching people promise to think about it forever. Look, let's actually run the numbers on this because it's kind of fun when you do. Say you send 10 messages a day. Say only a small fraction of that ever reply. That's normal, that's fine. Let's say it takes you a couple of weeks to land that first paying client. Well, that one client is now paying you $297 a month, every month, for as long as you keep the reviews coming in. I mean, it's not life-changing yet, but importantly, it's also no longer zero either. Now, play that out. 10 of those and you're at just under $3,000 a month from a service you deliver in about 30 minutes each. The message opens the door, the video does the selling, the follow-up closes the gap, and the review engine does the actual work. Well, congratulations. You now understand how to run a profitable one-person agency better than most of the people out there selling you a 37-step funnel trying to do the same thing. So you've got everything you need now. What you do with it is up to you. But if it were me, I'd open Google Maps tonight, I'd find 10 businesses with fewer reviews than they deserve, and I'd send just one message. Just one. Because the first message breaks the fear, and the second message gets just that much easier. After that, pretty much just wash, rinse, repeat. And if you want to just copy and paste over the entire review engine itself, which I'd strongly suggest you do, it runs inside High Level, the software I run my entire one-person agency on. I've set up an extended 30-day free trial through the link in the descriptions below this video. And when you start there, you get my full agency OS installed in one click. The review workflow, the outreach templates, and the follow-up automations from this video, as well as all the automations from every other video that I've made, all pre-built. This way, instead of building it from scratch, you plug it in and you go send your first message, and it's all linked below. Now, landing that first client is one skill. Keeping them happy enough to buy the second and third service is a completely different one, and that's where the real money lives. That's why I put together a free training that I've got linked up right here that walks you through exactly how to take that first $297 client to $1,000 a month and beyond that. I'll show you what to say, how to get them, what to offer, and the entire business model behind it. Again, it's all linked up right there, so feel free to tap or click that now. See you in there in just a second.